Was that you? Were you trying to make money online? This right here is a solution I found, and it's been amazing. This is a program that I purchased, and I'm promoting it, and I'm selling it and reselling it because now I own it. And when I sell it, I make 100% profit. Now, I'm not talking about 100% profit on a $9 lipstick, guys. No lipstick for $9. That's not what we're doing here. No MLM, 100% profit. I know, that's what I was saying, 100% profit? Who does that? It's because you get master resale rights. And if you don't know what master resale rights are, we show you that. We show you how to open up your own business and be able to profit in the digital marketing world with the Legacy Builders program. But most importantly, you find a way to get your financial freedom, to be able to spend time with your children and make your own money for yourself online. From your phone, guys, I only use 4 apps. And I could go anywhere in the world and still make money because all I have to do is my phone, use it, and create all my content. If you want to know how I do this, join me for more because I'll give you the sauce on how you can make money online. And if I catch you next time, guess what? Go right here to the link in my bio, hit that follow button so that you can get more information. Let's go.